Hey everyone, so here is Replica Virtual AI Companion app. It's quite popular. It's one of the top AI chatbots apps. I think it was one of the first ones. It was there for a while, like for a few years. But if you tried it out like a few years ago, the chat quality wasn't that good. Now it's actually getting better and better. So the main idea is that you log into the app and then you can just see these 3D characters. This is like your AI companion. It can be any gender, and yeah, at the moment this is just how it looks like. You can just browse around and then you can just open the chat and then you can just start chatting and explore how it looks like. And then you can see the quality of conversations. You can give a feedback if you like or don't like this conversation. You can also send images. You can also send a voice message or just start talking, and then this app will automatically transcribe it. It doesn't recognize images that well yet. I tried to do it a bit, but it's not there. But the quality of the chat is pretty good. It's getting better and better. So yeah, if you wanna upgrade, you can also try to do a video call. That's another exciting feature. By the way, there is another app called Call Any. Try it out as well. These AI apps are getting much more exciting. The quality of conversation is getting better and better, and let's see how it goes. Then there are a lot of additional features here in the bottom right where you can, play different games. You can add some memory to this chatbot. Then there is different like training courses which yes, you can see there is coaching. This is actually quite helpful because with coaching you can train in this app. So you can train journaling, you can train asking and chatting with some like hard emotional topics or like whatever. So this is can be actually quite nice psychological training app as well, because of course probably you just need to have some advice if it's real or not, but you can use ChatGPT to train your chatting skills and stuff like that if you're shy on Tinder or so can be quite helpful. And then you can customize your avatar as well. You can just choose different types and then you can just go further and customize all of the different options, colors, skin color, hair, all of these things. And then you can just go on avatar itself, see the other options. And then if you wanted to change the relationship status from friend to girlfriend, wife, or even mentor, that's where most people want to upgrade. Then you just need to upgrade, and then there is no other option how to do that. Then you just have this subscription option. There is only annual option. I don't know if there is a free trial. Don't think so. Don't think there is a free trial here. So that's basically an overview of the app. Definitely give it a try. It's one of the top AI chatbot apps right now. It's not only like girlfriend app. You can also use it like as a mentor app or just for fun or just for coaching and training yourself. So a lot of different use cases, but definitely give it a try. It's constantly in the top charts.